Last time on Races to Places, we rode across the Bolivian salt flats.
About an hour of daylight left, and it's about 450 kilometres into the country before there is anything. The people at the border here were quite concerned about us camping out there. There's some dangerous animals and things, but they were really wanting us to stay here in safety, and there's an air-conditioned room inside, and so we can use the showers and everything, and it's fairly quiet. There's only a few truck drivers around and local friendly people, so we thought, well, hey, why not? So bed for the night, matey. No hotels here, right?
No, it is air conditioned.
It's air conditioned.
The competitor of the day, Lyndon Poskitt. Everyone dreams of a trouble-free run at Dakar, but you can guarantee at some point a new challenge will be presented. Exactly what? Each and every one of us will have to wait and see.
So after a nice night's sleep in Customs and Immigration Office here on the border of Bolivia and Paraguay, the sun's up and it's time to now get the bike checked into Paraguay. Because I'm racing the Dakar Rally, I won't be taking the bike out of the country, that'll be with Miguel. So we're just making sure we're all set up and good for that as well. Yes. Well, we made it to Paraguay, all the way to Paraguay from Alaska, and now just to get to Asuncion for the start of the race, a couple of days away, but welcome to Paraguay. Welcome to Paraguay! This is like the happenings at a border crossing. A busload of people showing up and going through the checks. Money, money, money. I just got 550,000. 550,000, that's 100,000. So I got 550,000 for $100. I probably got fleeced, I don't even know what the exchange rate is, but that's what I've got. Traffic lights are not working. This is hilarious. A little bit wet here. Well, we just arrived 20 kilometers north of Asuncion and pulled into this shopping center because, to be honest, the rain is just horrendous. I can't remember the last time I did this, and I feel quite ashamed filming it, but what the heck, it's been raining so much this morning that we took refuge in McDonald's. Wi-Fi and fast food. Just brought Basil for a wash in the car wash, and they do everything for you here, so I just told him to give him a good scrub.
9,000 hard kilometers on that front 723 golden tyre. It's been fantastic.
With Lyndon racing aboard Rex for Dakar 2017, a friend will be riding Basil to the finish line of the race, ready for Lyndon to collect. And we all know Lyndon wouldn't pass Basil over to a friend without him being in tip-top condition. So, it's massive service time.
Here we go again. Service time again. Another 9,000 kilometers on the clock.
This looks like a well-equipped workshop.
So we've treated Basil to a new fuel filter as well today. So out with the old, in with the new. Special little treat. He's not had a fuel filter for some maybe 80,000 kilometers, so happy fuel filter birthday, Basil.
It's a week before the Dakar bike arrives here in Asuncion, so we've arrived a little bit early, which is positive, but there's a lot of work to do on the bike. So a good friend of mine, Miguel Santana from MAS Photography, is coming down to ride the bike to follow the Dakar. Nothing to do with me in the Dakar. He's just taking Basil's bike and riding him to the finish of the race. Not through the race, just on the roads and watching the race, and hopefully he's going to have a good time. But obviously, after all the mileage that I've done on the bike and everything, I want to make sure it's right for him to take it. So lots and lots of work to do on the bike. So oil, coolant, filters, brake pads. I have a new brake caliper to go on. Just been looking at the suspension linkage.
Another day, another morning down DHL. So far we've got 2 out of about 8 packages now, and we're still working on the others, but fingers crossed today.
Well, it's that time again. A DHL depot visit. Let's hope this runs smoothly. Back to spinning the spanners on Basil.
So this is the Pirelli MT21 tyre that I put on in the back in Peru when I got a gash in my tyre, and this has got about half the mileage that I get on a 723 Rally, and as you can see it's pretty done.
Get some grease in my nipples.
So there's a few things I just noticed on my rear brake caliper. One is that these holes here have started to wear, so when the caliper is engaged like this, there's a lot of movement, look, in the caliper. And also in this pin that holds the brake pads in, it's completely worn in here. So it's kind of repairable, but it's time for a new caliper. So I'm just changing the clutch fluid. I use 5-weight fork oil because I've got a special LPR steel lined master cylinder. It's been on the bike 100,000 kilometers now, and all I do is change the oil frequently and don't have any trouble with seals. 100,000 kilometers right there on that master cylinder. Look at that, black. That's why you change the fluid regularly, get rid of the dirt, and the seals last a lot longer.
Today, Lyndon is being driven in luxury by Motorex Paraguay to their San Bernardino lake house.
Christmas Day 2016. I much prefer the Christmas trees here.
Where we are, Christmas Day. Massive thank you to Motorex Paraguay, Ottonelli, SA, and all the people that are helping me here to prepare for the Dakar. I totally didn't imagine to be relaxing, chilling out in a pool by a lake, in an awesome lake house that I was given for Christmas Day, just to relax and have a day off. And after everything from the last year, everything, just getting everything ready for Dakar has been a massive challenge. And a few more days to get the bike ready once we receive it on Wednesday. It's now Sunday, Christmas Day 2016, and what more can I say? Thank you to everybody. Thanks to everybody that's helped.
Good morning. I just borrowed a bike and went for a little pedal here in Paraguay this morning. Rex arrives in a day or two and then it'll be all systems go. Don't crash! Just sat here making out an itinerary because it's all getting real confusing. It's the day before I picked the bike up from the organisation here in Asuncion, and it seems like there's like 1,000 things to do between now and the start of the race, and places to be at different times, different places in the city and everything. So I decided to make a big list. So I've got all my paperwork out, I've got the Dakar website open, I've got all my personal papers that they've sent me, and I'm just now putting it all together and trying to be a little bit organised for before the mayhem starts tomorrow. So you can see the organisation starting to get things set up for the podium. See over there, and all the barriers and everything up. So this is the joys of a self-filmer. What I'm doing now is shopping around for a tripod in the camera shops in Paraguay, trying to find a good little tripod like this one, which is what I've had from South Korea I've had it with me for many months now, and it's been perfect. But I need a tripod for the journalist that is going to interview me at the Dakar, to save me a little bit of time and give him the capability. So I've just been and bought a tripod for him, and now I'm going to try and find a camera for him, so wish me luck.
Next time on Races to Places,
just in a taxi heading to pick Rex bike up from the collection area where the organisation shipped the bike to.